Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to build a website without any experience at all. Well, firstly, I'm in the control panel, and this website builder is provided to a particular client called Global Merchants. There they are. And you'll see there's nothing on the site at the moment. So we're going to go to our control panel and log in. Every client of HostDirect gets one of these. So we're going to click on Build and Manage. And then we're going to install the new website on the domain globalmerchants.co.za. So all I have to do now is click Install. I'm going to install it in the Home folder. So the Home folder must be checked. If you don't do that, then it's going to ask you for a place to install the website. So let's say you've decided to install multiple websites in the same domain, which can be done easily. Then what you will do is give the folder a name, and the website will appear in that folder. For now, I'm going to install in the Home folder because I want people to be able to access my website when they type in globalmerchants.co.za or the client's website. Now I'm going to choose a template. I've been through all of these lovely templates, and I'm going to kind of choose something that's more in the line of food / catering. It doesn't make a difference though which template you choose, because each template can be modified in thousands of different ways. I'm going to use this because I want to have a header graphic here, and I want 3 main categories in the product section to appear here with a little write-up about each. So I'm going to click on Install, and it's installing the website at the moment. And there we are. The website is installed already, and it is live as well. So what we're going to do is quickly fill in important information so that clients who visit our website won't be confused. Just to show you that the website is live. At the moment, we have nothing here. I've shown you this page. So we're going to click on the refresh button. There it is there. Click on it, and the website has been installed, and there it is. So what I'm going to do is actually tweak this website to make it look a little bit, to make it look the way I want it to. Here's a company name. I'm going to continue. And now that the details are completed, this is what we have in front of us. So you could play an introductory video and have a look at what they have to say about the general layout and what's happening on the website. This is the type of video you would see where step by step you would be shown how to do things. I'm going to close this video and carry on with this demo. So the thing is, you have this magic button that you can click on if you want to now edit your website. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on Settings, and then that's my home page, and that's what it's going to be called, Home. And I can look at my website settings and double check all the information that I entered earlier on. And there we have all the information that we entered in already. So this is a very important section because we can attend to the social media section, and we can do the optimization of the site so that Google will be able to find us easily. There's a tracking analytics code, and we can fill this in, which you will learn how to do in a later video. But at any rate, this is the actual website. So I'm going to get stuck right into showing you how I would be able to change this website. So let me go firstly and change my header image. So I've got a directory here that I've created with all the resources that I would need. So the header is going to be a cup of coffee, and there we are. It was that easy to change the header. So I'm going to say something like, that would be my punchline, and here I'm going to just delete that for now. I don't have anything to say there. So I'm going to click the tick mark or the check mark in order that that is saved. Now, let's go in and quickly change these images. I'm also going to get that from my computer. So there's image number 1, glassware. Okay, I'm going to check that box. Image number 2 is going to be changed. Also from my computer, I'm going to take image number 2. And let's change the third image to the one our client prefers. Computer again, and there's the third image. Let's double click that. And that's complete. So I'm just going to change these words to catering. So So I've added a little description to my glassware section. With the more info link, if you click it, nothing's actually going to happen. It wants you to actually insert a link to go to when that button is clicked. We are not ready to do that yet. I just want to check the general workings of the site and quickly explain a few things to you. That one of the main features of this website builder is that I can add a section at will. For example, I've clicked the plus button there because I want to add a section above the dark section here. So I'm going to say that I want something like 2 columns, or I can, just go in and look at ready-made content blocks and say something like we could use something like that, and we can add our own images to it. For example, if I wanted to, and here you can see that the content has been added. I can do many things with that. For example, I could do the same, just click and choose an image from my computer or from the free images that are provided with the website, so you have no problem there. I could take something like that item, a whiskey glass, and I could sport that item here, say something about it, and then a quick description about how it's available, the quantities it's available in, and so forth and so on. So there you can see it's absolutely easy to build a website. You've got pages that are made for you already about us, and here all I have to do is just select and replace it with my own text. And that will be my text. I can put in as much text I want. I can add images to it. This is the footer section that can be edited anytime you want. So there you are. All right, and all that is done. So let's go and have a quick look. Oh, of course, the blog is a place where you can go and blog about your items and or your products, whatever you want to blog about, and people will be able to interact with your blog. And it's easy to put in a new post. All you have to do is click on new post, add a title, add content. You can add movies, pictures, links. You can even go into the source code and put in your own Bootstrap code, HTML code, whatever you need to do in that section. So let's have a look at the contact page. There's a form ready for you here, and all you have to do is fill in your details, submit the form. Your clients will then submit the form, and your email account will receive that email from your potential client. And a great place to put in your map is in the contact page, where people can actually see where you're located, where your store is located, and find directions to your address easily. So there we are. Should you want to modify this form, it can be done through the form's settings. And there we are. We can just place our mouse over the form and click on the edit button, and we can actually edit the form. In this video, we're not actually going to talk about the technical aspects of the site. All we want to show you is how easy it is to build a compelling website within minutes. So there you are. Now, what if I wanted to add a store to this website? As you saw earlier on, all I had to do was find a place where I wanted to place my store and click on the plus button if I wanted it above this content, if I wanted it above the footer, and the footer is here. I want it above the penultimate section. I can click on plus. I want to bring in an app. For example, well, there's tons of apps here. You can do a photo gallery, contact form, video, custom HTML. You can get your clients to download files. You can create a logo. I must tell you about that. There's a blog, voting poll, location map, a forum that you can join and publish to, knowledge base for your clients to have their questions answered. There's a shop here, a shopping cart, which we're going to install now, newsletter, form builder, RSS feed reader. We'll explain all these things in detail. If you're running a restaurant, you can complete a restaurant menu here. There's a sitemap, and this is what Google's looking for. We'll show you how to use that. You can create as many subpages as you want. There's a live chat button We'll show you how to activate that, and we can add our content to Google. So we're actually going for the shopping cart to show you how easy it is to actually install your shopping cart and start receiving orders online. So there we are. It was just one click and my shopping cart is actually installed. I can configure my shopping cart here and attend to details. I can say something like online store, say where the store is located, and then I can choose my currency, and I'm going to close this. The first thing I'm going to do, of course, is to show you the dashboard quickly, where you can have a look at what clients are doing when they're in your store. There's all your different reports that you will get. So when an order comes in, it will go into the pending orders, and so forth and so on. So this is the shop home page. I'm going to go to products quickly and click on products. I'm going to edit the first sample product that was done for me. Let's go to the product price. Let's say it's 25 USD. I'm going to leave the USD as is. Let's see if we can get an image for that whiskey glass. So I'm going to say, yeah, let's just upload it again. There it is. Open. And the whiskey glass is actually uploaded. Let's save that and see how it looks. Okay, let's refresh the section and see how the product comes out. There we are. So if I wanted to add, I haven't fully configured the store because this is not about explaining how to do that. This video just wants to show you how easy it is to add a website to your domain. Actually, it can be done within minutes. I'm going to add that to my cart, and my cart should be here, and I can check out. When I click on checkout, when my client clicks on checkout rather, he will be confronted with this customer form, and he will agree to your terms and conditions. We've got those pages already installed. We just need to configure them, and once he clicks yes, I agree, and all the payment notes are completed, you can click on checkout, and that is how easy it is to build your website. So send us your questions and how you could actually own a website like this. And this was the old one. There we are, and here's the one I edited. And you can see how easy it is for somebody without any experience at all to go and put up a beautiful website within a matter of minutes. We also can do this for you if you don't have the time to do it yourself. You can sign up for one of HostDirect's packages at http://www.hostdirect.co.za. So visit hostdirect.co.za and sign up for a package. It doesn't matter which country in the world you come from. We will find you a server that's quick, fast, and reliable for your needs. Thank you and goodbye.